Hello everyone, welcome to First Time Everything YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start with Johor Premium Outlet. This is my first time here. This mall has over 100 designers and name brands outlet. Everything here are being sold for under market price. It is located at this address. Long list of companies here. Just now it is lunchtime. I think I will eat here. This is Dome Cafe. There are only two of it in Johor Bahru. The other one is in Nusa Jaya. Dome is a franchise chain of European-style cafe restaurants. It closed down its last Singapore outlet back in 2019. The ambient in the restaurant feels very Western, very homely and comfortable. Vegetarian bruschetta, 16 ringgit 99 cents. Eggs hollandaise, 21 ringgit 99 cents. Good presentation of the food. The egg yolk is runny, my favorite kind of egg yolk. Chai latte, 17 ringgit 99 cents. Caramel nut crunch, 26 ringgit 50 cents. The chai latte is very heartwarming. Beef pie, 35 ringgit 99 cents. The pie should go very well with the beef stew. This whole meal makes me feel like I'm in a European country. The total is 130 ringgit 75 cents, about 65 ringgit per person. Doing some exercise to sweat off the extra calories. There's 2 tolls to pay for going from JP Custom to JPO. I'm in Ikea Tebrau. I like to walk around in Ikea. I found a dangerous reptile. Better keep it somewhere away from human. I found a secure place. Job well done. Ikea's warehouse area. Automated ice cream and yogurt machines. Ikea Cafe. It is directly below the Ikea showroom. It is raining outside. A cup of hot coffee will warm me up. The pricing for the food are very reasonable. The staff is preparing my order. Very professional equipment. Self-service pastry cabinet inside the cafe. All of them look really good. I like the homely feeling. I ordered just a regular black coffee. Sometimes the most simplest thing in life is what you need most. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.